Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into QuickBooks Online for Cashflow strategy detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type quickbooks.intuit.com and hit enter. Once the page loads, look for the sign in button located at the top right corner. Click on the sign in button. A drop-down menu will appear, showing several QuickBooks products. Select QuickBooks Online from the list. You will be directed to the QuickBooks Online login page. Here, enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, enter your password in the second field. If you're using a public or shared computer, consider unchecking the Keep Me Signed In option for security. Once both fields are filled, click the Sign In button to proceed. If you've forgotten your password, click the I Forgot My Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. After signing in, you'll be taken to your QuickBooks Online dashboard. From here, navigate to the Cashflow Reports section. This will give you a comprehensive view of your cash flow strategy. Adjust any filters or date ranges as needed to view specific data. You are now ready to analyze your cash flow in detail. Review the insights available to optimize your strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.